This classroom has both regular ed and special in it. Actually, if you broke it down with numbers, we'd have one regular ed classroom and one special ed classroom, but the children are unaware of that. I think that children really need to learn persistence in a situation like this because of those different levels. We try to look for children that are reaching frustration level and make sure we catch them before they're there so that we can ask them questions that might help them redirect and make them understand that that's all a part of learning and all a part of discovering and a part of problem solving, that sometimes you're going to reach plateaus or blocks where you're not really sure what to do next, but that's not the place where you stop. And I think that it's something that they've gained through just kind of seeing that there are times when that will happen, but you can get over that by just taking some more time and doing a little bit more thinking. Or one time that we'll see persistence is when we notice that children have those furrowed brows and are starting to look a little bit frustrated in their learning. And a lot of times this happens because we try to set up situations where this will happen. We set up a lot of places where we'll see discovery learning and hands-on learning in times when there isn't going to be one answer. And a lot of times this is also in a group situation where some children may be getting closer to the answer and others are still a little bit confused. So we look for times like that to start asking children questions that might help them kind of get past that block that they've reached. And I think that once they get through this, just one time when we've been able to ask enough questions to get them kind of through this, then they start to see that there are going to be times in their learning and just times in life when they're not sure what the next step is or what the answer might be, but if they persist and if they keep trying, which is what it would be in their words, then they'll actually get through it and maybe learn something new.